friends, today we will see a simple Faraday cage. What is a Faraday cage? A Faraday cage or a Faraday shield is an enclosure used to block electromagnetic field. Cell phones operate with radio frequencies. This is a form of electromagnetic energy that falls between FM radio waves and microwaves. Aluminium foil can block cell phone signals, which is an equivalent of Cellphone Jammer. If you don't want to get a phone call, you can wrap your cell phone in aluminium foil. In general, electrically conductive metals can reflect radio signals, shielding the target completely. Now, we will do an activity to demonstrate this. The items required for this activity are 2 mobile phones, a scissor and foil wrap. Now I am calling from phone 1 to phone 2 and phone 2 is not wrapped with foil paper. Now the phone is ringing. Now I have cut the foil paper in the size of my phone. So now we'll wrap the phone with foil paper. Now we have wrapped the phone in the foil paper. Now I'll be calling phone 2 from phone 1. The signal Though the phone was right next to the other phone, it was not able to reach it because of the aluminium foil. So we can understand this activity much better from the clipping of Vishwarubam 1 movie.